back to my channel. My channel 3. Subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up. Today we're doing a video. Is a video of soccer. Is a cool toy. Is my favorite. I had it, but I don't have it anymore. But now I have it now.
Okay, let's see what he has. Okay, this goes over here. Look, those pieces. Good.
I'm gonna go. No, Play-Doh.
Okay, good. Let's go. Go.
Lauren, you're so good at this. What, you?
You have one.
Uno. Guys, it's 1-1. Yes.
1, 2, 3. Whoever gets to 5.
Yeah, 5 is the last number. No!
No!
Oh, I have 2. I'm gonna go.
It's a really cheap toy, but it's really fun.
Yeah. Oh, I do.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
no way!
You.
Oh!
That's so.
4.
I'm 4.
Yeah, you almost win.
I almost won. So I need to move it.
Yeah, move it to 4. Okay. 1,
I
2,
didn't even
go.
touch that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Gonna beat you.
No, you're not. No, my God.
2, 3.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, that's not good. That's not good. 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. What? Oh, no.
You won.
And then I'll go. Wow! I won. Okay, guys, this was a cool game. I hope you like and subscribe to my video. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe and like to my channel and a big thumbs up. Later, next time I will do another video. Bye.